was 2 or 3 years ago. Miss Ramu, with Pamucho.
Vision for a high Ghana TVGH. Message or like a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature uploaded you'll be notified. Vision for say starting tokwa. Esa we are ready say tokwa no unjani. She say typical example Russia and Ukraine. Russia phone them say oh Ukraine there within 3 days omo military never collapse. 3 days pepepe they will be in Kiev to overthrow Zelensky. And they almost started ntokwa no nyina no omo adwem mu kire say 3 days pepepe 72 hours bibia beba wiye. But omo anya no sa 3 days na mo feel say within that 3 days bibia beba wiye no. That's taking them over 2 years now into 3 years, and they are still fighting, and we don't see any end in sight. But lesson say, even though they had prepared for 3 days, it's taking 3 years. They have not given up. And I make us say me, Mami a friend no NDA nana donko ata. Say MPP for your baby na your dream. Edwin say na yebe kasama asin dumping Elon Musk so that campaign announced 31st January no so report wa onko starting to kwa bia o party nim. And now Edwin say na man ho. And na mama ye friend no NDA. E ko fa na asemba. Asem ni say or see and na obey ni on one be the video obi am bisa no hwe na obey ni video say oh, honorable can say our fila be ever Samira ba omiaho na sa fila no drop here and share here Samira aware no begu enti NDA we are na kofa asem no buy na asem na kofa buy na MPP4 say oh yen kra no ye bu food dada o na say ye kra no he say no ye rehearsal smart say na ye bet yen tokwa esa say MPP4 who say idea back wa NDC for the BT omude bia propaganda ni ntokwa erita kashi enti say de omusuan pa enti NDA odi won abade de fakoye netina se na NDA say oye obi a anka Jacob na ye no ekosi sen say obisa won Jacob na ye no the way MPP4 dealing with Jacob na omu dealing with him basa we na last minute am koka say Jacob bro ye voter ni edukra nye ni din anka omudi Jacob na be share so sa banyami chade we have been able to diffuse that propaganda say Jacob na de onye voter ni enti aka by now you should have seen that say there be was say MPP that you used to know the gentle MPP the calm MPP na we almost be am so enye hwe yen fama nyami na sa MPP no sa MPP for omu ne ho biomu say there o di ba on the best show. Now, why is hard in every after the response is bad, Ghana Jollof, then the response is bad. Now you people are crying as though, Adena, why are they insulting the children, and fire arrest Nipa and all those things? NDA. Now saying fire arrest Nipa, it means you'll be our this rain. You see, when you are calling for equity, you must be ready to call for equity with a clean hands. To say, won't me come to kwa now catch the opponent say, oh dear, a nuclear weapon, but don't use a nuclear weapon, just use handgun. No. You can determine the action, but reaction, no dear, you don't have a control over it. And so your opponent will always look out for what is most painful about you. What is dearest to you? What is your weak point? And maximize on that weak point. I'm not saying, say, me a health practitioner, and there's no way I would say, you should use somebody's disability against them. But I'm saying, say, unim say, ufie nyeno, enko ka obi fiasem. As simple as that. That is how to maintain peace. That is how to mind your business. Wow, yeah, Christopher, the Bible say, mind your business, a full-time business. Who call Thessalonians my wall? And so when him say we fear and I say nkola we there are issues with them. Their health. Some of these issues, we say Uber is tradition more. Some of them even have spiritual meanings. And we assign spiritual meanings to some of them. Like maybe obi mfunso ntina say. So with all those things that you have to deal with, the least thing you should have done is to avoid talking about somebody that is dear to MPP4. Now the other time we catch them say the number of people are Samira Baumia and Nekunu are Mubua Ewagana Han. And yet easy. And sometimes so person who attacking Samira Baumia and say Dr. Baumia. There are people whom they have helped who will not sit by and watch you degrade their name. As an ESC or heaven. Bekaya, when Satan got up to accuse God, God himself did not retaliate to. Other angels say Michael Muno say, intimate na hana. Uni papa no beka sa anyhow. Free akok. And the NDA, stop playing the victim. I think the best thing you can do at this moment is to call for a truce. Truce there were warfare. Israel and Gaza for war with Ukraine. So almost sign a peace deal. And you have to sign a peace deal with Ghana Jollof. Yes, sir. Unfortunately, Ghana Jollof is on giant China. And see, so sister say I who lawyer say judge say human rights activist. I see still no. Onu kra say asem no. Sa NDA sister or say asem. Because me no anka meka manutum. Because the more you respond, the more you give room to Ghana Jollof to bring more and more. And this whole fight, it was not about you in the first place. So what is your beef? Say yourself person trend there. I can say no. Who do share my career? You will be about we are post no bill. Simple as that. Are they? A party has lost election. Muna say I will report. No problem. Jai party no na mu enti opposition mu na ye na ye pe. Afedie eno so mu ma asomdwe. Sembe krani.
Bear 2 to 3 years ago, Honorable Kennedy Japan, or Kabibi say, or video bio said na, or the bar bontinya, former vice president, na wari beko, and na me video na Miss Honorable, me pa ucho, sisi ade awari hwa din, nti misro, ngo bia na wari mpa ucho. Me video a me ye no, asama me kai, manya wo bia. Mengo bia ni mase. Mendidi obi atem. That video no was 2 or 3 years ago. Miss Ramu, me pamocho. Phone calls no, audios no, message no, Me ya obia. There's no video and now audio. Bia obaka say na donko. Me ya o madam no. Enti misram makache me sister say onim na obi come with social media na or respond there mi bo be phone pa misram eye dia kraba enti bida ene twin ana pui ana fush men kola Enyende ena yedi me kwala ayame wo social media dada ena nkrofo bo kwan to ho ena manfo nam so eninti enhame be okay se me da bontin a ena nka ehame se ye ni aduane wo fie me ena me nkwala ye bedi a ena nka ebeha me se me nkwala na me ye ni ntare bi anka ye behye ana se yare abon ena ebeha me ye okay besramo me ye okay yaw so de enkunipa yaw enkunipa se yaw kunipa anka me ye sure sanka wo kra anka wewu nti yaw enkunipa nti me pa mo ncho me sramo mo bia send me audio mo bia mfrɛ send me se obi ye ya me na wo de video no send me a emfa so benewo nyansa benewo se wo di kokwa ntumi nchire ne ba se wo ye so obedi kokwa obedi ne mba no so aka ho nti menem koko na me di ye no mba no ene yaw a meji wo social media and me nkwala no you okay me nkwala omo you okay nti reason na me ye video office ma ye ya vice me ne di ne kwa me ntumi mbo I will never ever insult anybody me mabra bon kwa me hu ano na makoye ya obi me obra me bon me hu nto me na me na don koma ye ya obi me menim de ada menim twɛn me abrabo a me bon me ndu bibia ya me mpo na we hu me mbobo ti me ye ya obi a video no it's 3 years video and wutie video na man ya obi ala nti se me kase ya pa ocho aware ho ayedin nti amfa emba ne bego bi na ware a pacho ya wana se me kase me ye politics a nti me ka yawo de bi se wo hu baby e fiba and me okay me sua baby so bi ye ya me a mintie me manager no ka kire me se o say na waka o so wo say former vice president, so honorable Kennedy Japan. Just said it doesn't even make any sense. But a yaw hame a yaw before no ne hame. But now no hame. I dear hame near me wo me fear ha. Me kola se wo mbedidi. Se wo mun yare. Se wo benya bibidi edi wo mutibeto. Ani ade a me ton. Se nkofu bebeto ama me. Eni shiranka yankopon. Me wo tap send. Bombodiana use me promo code NDA 1. First and iskakumo bushia 4. Me wo sunny good. Ye was a cocoa, ye worship to your gunte, who America now pursue to be tonga, and you good business. Ye the pebro alberton. And a mere casame woman online market, NDA online market. Me ton pipia. In Chingana, a bobo, a born chin, a me ton be. Sisia me wo pipia, me wo cra. Ye were TikTok shop or so. Nneama we na se ya hame nkwala no ebe hame me kunta de jo yoke nneama but yaw de enye hwe yaw enye hwe obi ni comment enye hwe obi ni likes enye hwe enye first time ni. In your first time, a lot of me bad life. I don't want you. Will be in you should know this by now. Since your Martina, me go 8 years. my head mistress wahano. My head mistress. Intino mesram. My ya ubia. The video is 3 years old. Ubia ose me ye yao. Madam no. E ya prekwa me yao no. Omba kantim and tremo. How can I insult somebody like that? Madam no. How can I insult her? Me do him. On but baby madam we wo. How can I insult her? How can I insult Obinaware? Only thing I'm kind, and this is not even something serious. I just said it's honorable. Yes, no, Sisi aware mo ayedu ntino e pa chembe go obi anaware wo bibi abeka kegu masum. Bonne ben na me kind. We unti bida. We obi nka bida. Nti as I say wotie ase eye social media. Eye social media. Social media ade bia betumi adane bibi. En enhame. Men kwala po womu hu. Womu nte. Ena men kwala ni husu a enha womu. Because womu nim dia memete. Ena men kwala ni womu nim womu hu. Okay? Me ntumi nson. Me yemu nson engu. Na me kwafa sawa enhyem. Me yemu nson ntumi yengu. Te dia men kwala atibia womu ye mete. Me sramo. Aya, mo bien sende mam. Ende ma broke nipa by 5. O sende me eyawa, me broke. Fasu ni so. O pesa o sende me adia, sende me sika. O ko kashapa. Me diye nana donko ata 1. Sende me sika. Men sende me yawo. Emboa me. Ana meniama ameton betobi. Meniama na ameton. Bedi mitwa. Eyawo de enku nipa. Enku hu mpofi. Senke eyawo egu nipa n'anim ase a ene egu hu fia. Anka me ponko bi mponka so bebe me. Ti eyawo enku nipa no hu fi. Eyawo eye mframa. Poof ebeko. So me da se. Makache me sister onye biem. Makache obi twa me timpo o social media monja. So ben me no be hu me. Ohonom de a different story. But social media de. Ahanum na mete. Ahanum na meda. Eye danyala.
Ansana no se owo abrochiri anase owo Ghana ha na oye program bi ete se engagement wedding anase funeral na ope obi a obeba betwa video no ede ama anase oba betwa pictures na me kire quality videos anase quality pictures a enfo wani enchire e wo ba bia se cam hacks na ma no e na eda screen ne so no na djuma ho etwa yie papa Ghana ha ba bia wo bia o frena obeba abetwa wo program no e de ama anase empo wo ama no ne e na wo hweye e na wo beye program e na wo atoto ania uhu obia obetwa wo program no e de ama wa contact na mana eda screen ne so no obetwa wadjuma no yopo e de ama chese quality videos na quality pictures party emfa wani enchirem e wo ba bia anase empo ope bibi te se camera light anase drone e de etwa programmer eno so o contact na obeba ababeya ma